YouTube CEO reveals 5 secrets to explosive channel growth.
Want to grow your YouTube channel in 2025? Beyond? Here's what the YouTube CEO just revealed, and it's a total game changer. If you're a creator, you need to hear this. Let's break it down. 5 key secrets to success. Straight on the top. Number 1 secret: creators load the dialogue. It's not just about uploading. Your conversation starts with you. Your content sets the tone. So, behold, be real and engage deeply with your viewers. Number 2, real-time feedback matters. Pay attention to comments, polls, like chats. YouTube's algorithm loves engagement. Treat your audience like collaborators, not just viewers. The top 3 made for a global audience. Think global, not just local. Subtitles, universal topics, and culturally relevant can take your channel worldwide. Number 4, built for every screen. Your content must look good on phones, tablets, TVs, laptops. That's your thumbnails, aspect, ratios, and pacing across all devices. Number 5, be creative and flexible about monetization model. Don't rely on ads alone. Use memberships, merch, affiliate links, super things, and more. Diversify how you earn. These aren't just tips, they're part of YouTube's new direction. If you want to grow faster and smarter, follow the path laid out by the CEO. Subscribe for more insider strategies. And remember, your next big video could change everything.